friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be doing a contact haul for you guys. These contacts are going to be from Just4kira. I ordered them on February 18th and received them on March 1st. So just note that there's going to be a bit of shipping time if you order from this company because it is based out of China. So I did do their buy 3 get 3 deal, and this order came to $79. So you can definitely take advantage of the deals that they have going on their website. So inside the box, you're going to see, along with the contacts, you are going to also get contact holders as well as applicators that are inside of the case. Each contact is going to come in its own individual box. First, I'm going to be showing you guys this Esha green color, and that box is so pretty, you guys. It's giving holographic vibes. Each contact itself is going to be individually packaged inside of this little case that's going to come with some solution inside of it. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks on the contact versus how it looks on me. And this one is going to be in the color Esha green. It doesn't have a limbo ring, so it's going to be just the pure Esha green color. My eyes are dark brown, so I'm just going to be seeing how it looks on my eye versus how it looked on the model. So here's how it's looking in one eye. You see how my eye is like a very much dark brown color, and the masking is very nice. I really love this green, you guys. It's giving me very much like olive green. It's like a very dark and warm green, which I am absolutely here for. I just really like the darker, warmer colors on my dark brown eye. I just feel like it blends in so much better than the crazy bright colors that don't really, I feel like, suit me the best. So here's how it's looking in both of my eyes. And like I said, you can take advantage of those different deals that they have on the site. It's kind of pretty much just like the more that you buy, the more discounts you get, if that makes sense. So here's how it's looking in both of my eyes. I really do like this color, you guys. This one is probably one of my favorite. I'm not always a green girl. I actually never really go for green colors, but I really love this one. And I also wanted to show you guys how it looks in natural lighting as well. You can see it looks a little bit different in the natural lighting versus how it looks in my studio lighting. And I just really love it. I feel like it's very I feel like it's just simple. It's suitable for sure. So this next color that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be the Grace Brown. And like I said, it comes in this little wrapper that does have the solution inside of it. All of these come the same way. This one as well does not have a limbo ring, so it's going to be just that pure Grace Brown color. And also another thing to note, you guys, when it comes to wearing these contacts straight out of the box, I would not recommend that at all. I went in and soaked all of them in solution for at least about 48 hours just to be on the safer side, because the amount of time that they've been sitting in that solution, we don't really know, plus with all the travel time and everything like that. So to be on the safer side, I just let all of these contacts soak in solution for 48 hours before I put them in my eye, so I don't have to deal with any irritation or any burning like that. So as you guys can see from my reaction, I feel like this color is a lot, especially because there's no limbo ring that kind of separates or eases it into the color variation. So it's just that pure Grace Brown color. And I feel like for myself, it just was a bit much. It's like very light brown. It's like a honey hazel sort of color, which I feel like the contact itself is really pretty, but I just think for my skin tone, on me personally, I couldn't. It was giving me vampire vibes, especially with my cat-shaped eyes. I just feel like especially if you see me from far away, I feel like you'd be like, oh my gosh, what's going on with her? So the contact itself, I do feel like is pretty, but just on me personally, I wasn't a huge fan of this one. I definitely would prefer the Esha green over this one, you guys. And this is how it's going to be looking in natural lighting. As far as the fit for all of these contacts, you guys, they were very breathable, very comfortable. Each of them I did get is going to be for the 12-month period, so they're supposed to last for a year. But I myself, I just feel like the upkeep and everything that comes with contacts, it can get a little bit time consuming with just scrubbing them down and stuff. So for me, I don't use it for the whole 12-month period, but you definitely can if you are on top of taking care of them. And also something else to note, you guys, I did pick all of these ones up in a 0 strength. If you go on the website, you'll notice that some contacts are only available with a specific strength, but some you can put them with a 0 strength. So all the ones that I'm showing you guys today, you can pick them up in a 0 strength. But as you're going through the website, just be aware and be sure that if you want 0 strength, you're picking up ones that have 0 strength. So the next color that I'm going to be doing is going to be the ginger gray. This one is going to come with a limbo ring. When it comes to the grays, I definitely am a gray girly. I like to bounce back and forth between grays and browns probably. I don't stick to like the greens or the blues too much just because I don't really find them complimentary for myself personally. So this gray one itself, I really did like it. I like when grays are more close to the true gray and not giving like blue vibes, and this one was not giving me blue vibes, which I was absolutely here for. It's definitely like a darker gray. It's not a lighter gray. It's right in the middle, which I definitely liked. So here's what it's looking like in both of my eyes. And you guys, I do like this ginger gray. Look at it. Like I said, it's on the darker side. You can see that limbo ring. Sometimes I can be on the fence when it comes to limbo rings, but I feel like for some contacts it definitely works for them, and some of them I feel like it could just make it look a little bit too doll-like, especially if it's on the thicker side. This one's a nice and thin limbo ring, so I feel like it sort of eases you into the color better, and I just really liked how this looked, and this is how it's looking in the natural lighting. So the next one that I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be the Russo Brown. This is one of the ones I was most excited to try because I feel like I really liked how it looked on the model. It was giving me very chocolatey vibes. It does have a limbo ring. And even though I'm not necessarily a limbo ring girly, I feel like sometimes it works out very well and helps with the easing the color in without giving you just that abrupt pop of color, if that makes sense. And I really liked how it worked with this specific color. This is probably one of the ones that's giving me a little bit of a doll eye effect, but also like a natural doll eye, if that makes sense. Like very cutesy and pure. I really liked how this one looked. It's like a more rich and chocolatey brown, so I feel like this definitely does help elevate my look, especially because like I showed you guys, I have very dark brown eyes. This is very elevating, and what I really liked about these contacts is all of them kind of just encapsulate your eye very well. You don't see your own color sort of peeking through or anything like that. I just feel like it does a very good job at blending in with your own natural eye color. And here's what it's looking like in the natural lighting. Like, look at that. Cutesy little doll. Very cute. So the next one I'm going to be doing is going to be the SIWIN brown. This one's going to be a little bit lighter than that Russo color. And this one is also going to have a limbo ring as well. So that's what it's looking like. It definitely does look similar to the Russo, but like I said, I feel like this one is a little bit lighter than the Russo. And I feel like the limbo ring on this one is very, very subtle. You can see the limbo ring on the contact itself when you're unboxing it and when you can see it on the model. But for my eye color personally, I just feel like you can't really see it, which I really like. It just looks like a natural blend all around. You don't see any harsh line or anything like that. You don't see a thick limbo ring that separates from that natural color of the eye. It just looks like a pure medium sort of brown color, which I really, really like. These ones are probably going to be one of my favorites, you guys. I feel like you see kind of little peaks of that limbo ring, but it's very, very subtle, which I really, really like. And then here's how it's going to be looking in natural lighting. This one's really cute, you guys. I don't know, I can't really pick my favorite. It gotta be between probably maybe this one and the Ace of Green. I don't know. But these are definitely pretty much giving very much brown girl approved, you guys. These are some cute colors. So the last one I'm going to be doing for you guys is going to be the NORKO brown. And this is going to be another one that has a limbo ring. So this is how it's going to be looking on the model. And this one does look like it's going to be more of a bold limbo ring and less of a subtle blend down. So straight off the bat, you see that, girl, you can see that limbo ring, but this is cute. This is definitely much lighter than the SIWIN brown. It's giving me like, I don't know, like warm chocolate. It's very cute. So this is gonna be the final contacts that I picked up, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Are there any of these that you would try? Are there any contact colors that you prefer over any other ones? Do you think there's one that you like on me better than any of the other ones? Let me know, and also comment down below if there are any other contacts or any other things that you guys want me to pick up, any other content type things that you guys want me to review. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure to give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the content you want me to review, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.